Hey, welcome to my home, or as we say in Spanish, bienvenidos a mi casa. So please come in. Hello everyone, my name is Fabian, I'm from Spain, and I'm the country graphic design leader for Ikea Korea. Yes, this is my living room, is where I spend most of my time, and the really main product here is the sofa. It's a really unusual color for a sofa, but yellow is my favorite color, so you will see it all around the house. This sofa is called Vimle, and there are three really good things about Vimle. The first one is that it's modular, so you can adjust the space of your living room to the sofa. The second thing is that the covers are removable, so you can just remove them, wash them and put them back, or you can change the color of the sofa when you want to. And the third really good thing about Vimle is that it comes with extra storage if you have the storage needs, so Vimle is your sofa for sure. I basically spend all my time sitting here in the sofa because I watch a lot of TV shows and I also play in video games, so I also like my gaming station to be organized in this Vesto storage unit and really well tidy here. Yeah, so this is the main wall. I mean, I like to call it the poster wall because it's my favorite wall of the house. The concept here and everywhere around the house is graphic and also colorful. I like my home to be graphic and colorful, so this wall is a representation of it. So I like to have things that I did on my own, also things from my favorite artists. And this is something that I've done when I came here. This is the first poster I've made when I moved to Korea. I wanted to have something like a souvenir to remind me that day when I moved. This is my hometown actually. I also like to have the poster of my hometown to remember where I come from. So it's good to have where you come from and where you are right now. So it's fine. My favorite thing here, I would say, is the clock. If not my favorite here, I think it's one of my favorite IKEA products of all times. This is called Ikea PS 1995. It's a 25-year-old clock, and it has a timeless design that is really nice, and it fits perfectly anywhere in your house. Yeah, actually this rack comes with me everywhere I go. It doesn't matter the country I'm in. I always buy this rack if I cannot bring it with me. So this rack, apart from being beautiful and really colorful, like I like, is also handmade. It's made out of wool and it's also reversible, so you can use this side before you wash. If this side is dirty, just flip it over, use this side, and then you can wash both sides later on. Also, don't forget to put stop, which is like an anti-slippery product we have, because this rack with this type of floors is really, really slippery. So let me show you now my glass house, or where I try to build like a little forest here. I'm starting with this thing of growing plants, but so far it's been good. I'm learning little by little. But one trick that I have to keep this part of this room green is also feka. Feka, which is artificial plants, and you have a lot of different plants, artificial plants to choose from. So if you're really bad like me to keep plants alive, then just use feka so you can mix them with your real plants. Yes, I do have. I like my furniture and my accessories to be sustainable, to be natural, and to be handmade if possible. For example, this lamp is handmade and is made out of bamboo, which is a natural material. What else do I have? This plant pot, for example, where I'm growing my little avocado here. This plant pot is also handmade and it's made out of natural fibers. And this one is, I haven't found the use for it yet. I will find it when these plants grow a little bit. But I just wanted to buy it because I didn't want to lose the opportunity. And this shows that it's handmade. So if you're looking for handmade products at Ikea, this is the logo you have to look for. And it's also handmade, made out of natural fibers, and it's beautiful. Yeah, it also is this one is part of the Satsumas family, this one, and also this one here, this plant stand. Nothing much to say, it's really nice, it's really clean lines, natural materials. It's really, really nice and fits with everything. Yeah, so I like to use these plant stands also that we have in our range. I try to keep the consistency here. I have these plant pots that I haven't found the use yet. Are made of natural fibers as well. Yep, and yeah, this is where I have my little plants until I move them back to the floor. Sofa is really nice. This sofa is really comfy and really sturdy. And this is where I spend time reading, actually. Just take your book, just lay down, and then relax or fall asleep, whatever you want to do. And it's really easy to fold, just stand up, and that's it. There you have it, your really nice and comfy armchair. So let's move to the bedroom. For the bedroom, I had the same approach. I want it to be colorful, I want it to be graphic, but in a lower level. So this is my bedroom. As you can see, steel patterns on the floor with the cushions, steel spots of colors, yellow, and also here yellow. But overall is really bright colors, really clean colors, clean cool cover, because it's a space to relax, it's a space to wind down and just to, before you fall asleep, just to get into the mood. And talking about the mood, yes, this curtain is really nice to get that mood. One tip with this curtain is also our most affordable curtain we have. And one trick with this curtain is that if you put a lot of them, stack a lot of them together, gives a really nice lighting when it's really shiny outside, still bright inside, but with a really nice mood. Yes, also for the lighting I use Trot-Free, which is our smart lighting range. And it's really convenient to use, it's really nice. And I will show you because I have here the app. So this is Trot-Free, this is the app we have at Ikea. And this is the app we use to change colors in your home. So as you can see here, I can turn off the lights just with this app. All of them are off. I can turn them on all together, or I can turn them on one by one, as you are seeing right now. It's really convenient. And also you can change the lighting, the set. You can put more like bright, like white. You can put more yellowish, or you can put like a mist in between. That is the one I like, is to change. Yeah, you can change according to the needs you have or the mood you want to have at home at that time. And it's really convenient. So about this table, by the way, this table is also really affordable. It's a really nice design and actually has a design award, Red Dot Design Award from 2016. One product also to highlight is this chair, for example. This chair is made out of recyclable plastics and is probably the easiest chair to assemble at Ikea that we have. Just one click, this comes separately, seats and legs, and you click them just here, and then there you have it, your sturdy chair. And also gives that natural and like sustainable look into your home. Thank you very much for coming to my home. I hope you liked it, and yeah, thank you very much.